Good morning, everyone. AA, good morning. Good to see you. Well, yesterday was interesting. So, by the way, I do have a limit order right now, just for a quick information on NQ. Placed it based on the 5-minute chart. And just a small position, very small. And I want to target the sell side liquidity down there at the Asia low. I would say this is a very good target. Asia low down there. So I'm going for that. And what else? Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm looking for. How are you guys? How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Excuse me. All right. I have to set up some copy trading here. All right, let's see. Okay. Seems like we're gonna have an interesting session. I mean, hopefully today we have some news. We do have some news right now. The GDP number is just out. Better than expected. Pound GDP. What else? CPI numbers 830, which is awesome. That is great. Okay. All right, I got filled into this trade right here. As you can see it. So, in it to win it, right? That's the goal. In it to win it. Speaking of which, let's check on gold real quick. Gold went through the 1-hour order block yesterday. Now it's definitely looks like it's still bullish. We have a 1-hour fair value gap here. 1-hour fair value gap here and here. I'll be looking at that. And what else? I would go long on gold, honestly, but I don't have an entry. For now, all I like to see is NQ to sweep these equal lows, which is also Asia low and New York PM session low. That would be great. That would be awesome. And it's right here. Sorry guys, I'm still sleeping. Right there. So that would be great. Otherwise, nothing extra. How was yesterday power hour? Well, I was fooling around, but I had the MyFundedFutures account at TradeAway. I still have it, and it was. I mean, I think it will be today or tomorrow. It's gonna get rebuilt because it was in a small drawdown. I haven't really managed to trade on the account, but I bought that for $50, so I did not want to cancel the subscription. And so since it was down a little bit, like $300 below 50K, I thought, why not? You know, let's fool around. So managed to pull it up to plus 300 something dollars by doing some crazy scalping. But it was good. It was good. I'm not good in scalping and I do crazy things, but I guess I was lucky. And yeah. Otherwise it was interesting. I mean we made some new highs. Christian, hey, trend day, hopefully ES and NQ, yeah, hopefully we will go for some very significant levels today. I agree. So we broke through the 900. Look at that here, just at the power hour at 350. Was interesting as the macro was kicking in. Boom, went up there. So I'd say just keep an eye on for the 21K level. We'll never know. This market is just unstoppable. Absolutely unstoppable. And yeah, was interesting. Oh, yesterday. Well, yesterday was a trend day too. I wasn't really expecting it, to be honest. I was expecting that this is gonna be it, like this one. I thought that this is it. That's gonna be the whole PM session, like up, down, up, down. But yeah, because of, you know, good old Powell and friends. Not just them. Of course, the market welcomed. He had positive news. He was very well. He didn't really told too much, but overall positive. I was reading the some articles. And overall, he was positive about the economy and what they see. And I guess the market welcomed it by the PM session. Oh, the market profile. Yeah, might be. I mean, yeah, the market profile. I have to go into that. I do. The market profile, I don't use it. I don't use it to be honest. Didn't really do before, or did? Use it. All right. Noted. And I know some other guys in the chat were telling me to use market profile. Haven't really did, but I know a few people are doing very good, at least the ones I know doing very good by using it. So I'm gonna look into that. Good morning, Pinion Mendez. Hey, good morning. Look at this entry. Wow. I wish all the entries will be good like this, but I don't need it to go back up. But this is a nice trade. Nikos, good morning. So market profile. Let me check on it. We're looking for some indicators that could be easily implemented. But anyway, I'm gonna look into that later. What's going on, Nikos and Pinon Mendez? What's going on? Sir Burnson, hey, good morning. Good to see you. Good to see everyone. Sorry, I'm still sleeping. Excuse me, I apologize. I overslept. Again, this is the second time in the past 2 or 3 weeks. I woke up like 15 minutes or 12 minutes before the stream. So I woke up before about 2 hours ago, and then I slept back. I said, all right, you know, we can sleep some more. And then suddenly my eyes was like popping out like boom. Oh my God, I overslept and I almost missed the stream. So I had some time to fix a coffee and, you know, fix myself up a little bit, but I'm still sleepy. The only thing I did is I opened the chart. I saw this relative equal lows at the 5-minute displacement, and I said, okay, this is it. This is one of my entry model. I just wanted to enter. So I took the trade. So I took it, and here I am. I don't mind if it loses, it's fine, but it fits to my entry criteria. So I opened it, saw what happening, and I entered. For me, it's 8:12 in the morning. 8:12 in the morning. But so I woke up at 6 a.m. I usually wake up around 5:30 or 6 a.m. And so I woke up at 6. Not UK. I'm in UK right now. It's 7:13. So I'm ahead of UK. I'm in Europe, Hungary. Good morning, Sam. Good to see you. So I usually wake up at 6, sometimes 5:30. And this morning I woke up at 6. I was super tired. I just, you know, I went to the bathroom like with closed eyes, and then I went back to bed. I was like, okay, just give me like 30 more minutes and I'll be up. And then at 7:47 or something like that, my eyes were boom, like, uh-oh, you know, I overslept. And here I am. Marcus, good morning. That motorboat, so yeah. Good morning, Marcus. So anyway, for you guys who are just popping in, I'm in a short trade on Nasdaq based on the 5-minute chart. Let me change this to the 5-minute. 5-minute. Apply. There you go. This is my entry on the 5-minute. So I was like, I totally overslept. And the problem with this is that when I oversleep, I tend to go super slow the whole day. Not even coffee is helping me. But yeah. Matthew, good morning. Legal trader, legal tender. I always read trader, but I'm still sleeping. Legal tender. Good morning. Need to break VWAP, and yeah, well, we're actually still below, so that's all right. That's fine. Yo, Jeff, good morning. Hello. You're good. Marco, hey. Good to see everyone. Good to see you guys joining. Excuse me for my slow speaking and my voice, but I was sleeping like 30 minutes ago still. I totally overslept. Anyway, Dren, good morning. We're gonna go to gold in a second. Dren, especially for you. On gold, we are in a 1 hour fair value gap right now on gold. I'm not in a trade with gold. But I think, you know, if we zoom out gold and if we look at what happened here. Now we had an order block. As you guys know, I was really into this order block yesterday. I'm just going to put it here. That was a bearish order block. Okay. So now we broke that yesterday. Went back into it. Tried to reach lower, didn't go really through. Now I think gold just wants to continue its bullish run. At least it feels like it. Now the 4 hour also seems a little bit bullish to me. Who knows? Daily chart also seems like it's reaching for new highs. You know, there was a shift here. The daily is definitely bullish. Shift. Daily order block high is up there. I'm gonna put a marker here on gold. Daily order block high at 2406, so that's also a bullish sign. So what I would say, I'm looking for a nice bullish entry on gold, and that's it. That's what I'm looking at. I have it on sell, but yeah, you can still sell it. I'm not saying it won't go down, because look at that. Look at gold. We have midnight level here. And we have Asia lows. Look at, we have the VWAP down there. So very good targets for the sales. I'm not saying it won't go down. And today's candle is just straight bullish. So why not retest the midnight level at least, or go lower? So you have every possibility for your sell to succeed. It's fine. It's fine. Try jogging 5 minutes when you overslept. It will wake you up. Oh, there you go. Thank you, Sarel. Yeah, I might do that. The problem was, like, I wanted to start the stream, of course, on time, and it was like 12 minutes before the stream. Like, what? Oh no! But maybe I should have, you know, just run down to the in front of the house for a few minutes. Could have done that. Spy Girl, greetings. What's going on? Good to see you. Good to see you, Spy Girl. Hope you guys made some good profits yesterday. Marcus, your partner in profits. Marcus was killing it yesterday too. He was killing it. All right, I'm in this short. I'm not saying it's a fantastic short, but it looked like one. But now it seems like it's just going back. My idea with this short was very simple. You know, we just made a new high, swept some liquidity. We have relative equal lows to the left. We have Asia low. We made some new highs again. Why not? We had a displacement, market structure shift on the 5 minute, nice fair value gap. And just look at that. It's going against me. Was looking good for a few minutes. And now it's just breaking higher. so bullish. No stopping of this one. And gold is going down. Small accumulation just before London. Accumulation as in accumulating for long positions maybe. Good morning, by the way, Iran. Yeah, could be. Could be. If I zoom out, yeah, could be. 15-minute shifted too, so it was promising, but yeah, let's see, Ron. Let's see. Unfortunately, I don't like this trade anymore. At this moment, you know, it looked good. It was really good. It took it so nicely and went down. It was almost like a perfect short. It almost looked like, okay, this is the perfect short. We're going to go down to sweep the lows. And it's just not doing it now. I might have to consider to close it manually. But I'm just trading with micros, you know me. Let's see. But you could be right. We are accumulating, and you know what? I just marked it up there too. We have the 21k level so close. I would not be surprised if the market would just say, you know, guys, F it. We're just gonna go to 21. Who cares? You know, because, and the answer is why not? Because why not 21k when we're so close? Nasdaq can do this in 10 minutes or 5, even in London session. Do you know the margin required for micro? Well, if you're asking on personal live account, cash account, not sure. I know that I had an account, I'm not sure if it's still there, with M Futures, and it was like, I don't know, $300 or something like that for micros, or 200, I don't know. So the minimum deposit to trade with one micro, I think it was like 200, 300, I don't know. Yeah, Joseph is asking, saying that on my chart, the trading view candles are not lagging too much. On his end, his trading view chart is lagging a little bit more than on my end. So I'm just going to say it in Hungarian for quick answer. Ez azért lehet, hogy elő vagy-e fizetve a trading view-ra. Ha nincs előfizetésed, akkor késleltetve van a gyertya. Ez lehet egy ok. De ha elő vagy fizetve, akkor elvileg nincs ilyen. Akkor nem tudom, mi lehet. Ha nincs előfizetésed, akkor van alapból beépítve leg. Alright, so I'm just saying that if you don't have a subscription on TradingView, you're just using the free version, then there is a lag in the candles. On futures, I think it's like 3 seconds, even if you have the data from TraderWeight or whichever brokerage you use. If you don't have any kind of subscription with TraderWeight, then you will have a lag. You're going to be actually 3 seconds behind on futures and 5 seconds behind on forex pairs. The London session is going to open in 35 minutes. Yeah. CPI at the door. CPI at the door. So, gonna be interesting. You have time to smoke a joint then, yeah. The margin will depend on your broker. It could be 50, 100, 150 or anything. Yeah, yeah, that's exactly. Take your time, Dren. I think it's just gonna be, I mean, nothing is gonna move until then. Yeah, exactly, visible ID. So depending on your broker, as I remember at M Futures, it was like 200 or 300 that they required a deposit. I don't know. I don't know. I had the account last year, but of course I lost the money on it. So it is what it is. 100 for trade weight. All right. Just be careful if you deposit the minimum like $100. You know, even with one micro, you can lose it in one trade or two trades on Nasdaq. So you go in Nasdaq, one or two trades, and that's it. It can wipe you out in New York session. Super easy. But it's good for, you know, practicing, feeling the pressure. Look at this. It's just going against me, as it should, right? I mean, that's what I do usually. I mess up my trades in London session and I have to scalp my way back later. No, it's not looking good, guys. I don't like it. It was a valid entry, so this is unfortunate, but what can I do? Yeah, it's gonna go higher. Oh well. Oh well. Yeah, not to go against the trend. Well, you know, if you look at the 1 hour, it's definitely bullish. So I wasn't asking for too much. I was just asking for a simple liquidity sweep. That was all I was asking for. Just a simple liquidity sweep. And it's just not giving me the opportunity. I mean, it gave me the opportunity and it takes it away from me. Anyway, good news is Apex fixed my code, so I can continue to shill Apex. But I think the sale is still on. $40 for the big accounts, 150K, 250 and 300K accounts with the $85 activation fee. Check it out. And for Buleanox, there is a slight change in the code. There is no more number after my name, just TOMSABO. So not TOMSABO 1, but only TOMSABO. It's 83% down at Buleanox. The option 2 accounts are still go with TOMSABO 2. So TOMSABO 2 for option 2 and just simply TOMSABO with the option 1 accounts. Let's look at this. Is it going to go down or what? Above 883, even more bullish. Oh yeah, it is definitely. Looks like it could go bullish from here. Nekem nincs lemaradva. József is saying the chart is lagging on my end. I don't know. I have a subscription and everything. I have data subscription too. Let me compare it. Let me compare the chart. On the on TradeAwait. So chart. Let me go with. Let's go with this 5 minute. I don't need all this crap. All right. So yeah, I mean, TradingView always has a lag. I mean, it's not a surprise. TradingView is always lagging behind. I guess you guys can confirm it to me because there's always a certain lag. So this is Quant Hour and this is TradingView, but I'm just telling you, and this is not because of the subscription or the internet or whatever, but TradingView is always lagging behind, at least like 2 or 3 milliseconds or something like that. That is why I don't like it to use it for scalping, right? So it's always lagging. Can you YOLO news? Yes, you can, the Mad Scalper. You can do everything you want, even on the funded account. There's no rules in Buleanox for now. For the time being, there are no rules. Absolutely no rules. You can do anything. Liquidity X for seconds. 15 minutes if you would have the data. 15. They only update every 5 seconds. But I have a data. I have subscription for TradingView, and I have data subscription. So I'm not getting the data through prop firm. I'm paying for everything. And look at the lag. I mean, I think it's like at least 0.5 seconds, 0.5 seconds, or 0.3. I mean, Quant Hour is definitely faster than TradingView. So I never scalp on TradingView because it's always lagging. That's why I don't use it for trading. So I never use it for trading, for only just charting. What about, oh yeah, sorry, Spiegel. I always forget there is only one thing, consistency rule. Because I don't really care about the consistency rule, but you can do, I think he was asking about the evaluation account. You can YOLO the evaluation account on the news. And you just have to flip the account for 4 days, because 5 days is the minimum trading day at Buleanox. I know it's a stupid rule. You can pass the account in 1 day on the evaluation. You have to flip the account for 4 days, but on the funded account there is only one major rule, is the 40% consistency rule. That's it. That's the major rule on the funded account. But you can trade for the news, you can DCA, you can do everything you want. So sorry, yeah, that's true. I always keep forgetting the consistency rule because I don't care about the consistency. J-Ho, not on funded account. Yeah. They have a lot of rules on the funded account? No. No, they don't. Or do they? J-Ho. You can do everything. They have a bunch of other rules as well, because when I passed that small account for fun on a news day, I never paid the activation because I wasn't going to trade it, because they have a bunch of rules. I went into the Buleanox master account rules. It's here. Buleanox master account. So I know it's let me check it for you guys. Buleanox master account objective, blah blah blah. Is there a fee? Okay, multiple master account rules. So this is all the rules on the master account. This is it. Withdrawal rules. There is the withdrawal rules is different, because you have to, it's all about the threshold, the safety threshold. This is it. You have to leave safety threshold on a 50K account, $2,600. That's it. Otherwise, master account rules, complete application, USA email, blah blah blah. Trading rules are qualification, except blah blah blah. End of day, drawdown stop, blah blah blah. So that's it. This is it. I mean, there's nothing, as I understand. 11 master accounts. Anyway, the consistency rule, I get it, but there's nothing else in the details about news trading or anything else, as much as I understood. But Methodical Man said that there are basically nothing special. There is the consistency rule, but nothing about news or stop loss or DCAing. And he had multiple payouts from Bulenox, but but maybe they sent me a way longer. Oh, when I passed, weird, but no worries. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I haven't received. I passed a few accounts with them too. Obviously I'm still not at the payout threshold, but I'm still fighting for it. But yeah, it's good to know. All the information I have is based on most likely what Methodical Man said, and he got his payouts multiple times now with Bulenox with no issues, and he trades with minis, as we know, and he goes in for small, I mean short-term trades, scalping or such for a few points. But anyway, yeah, MyFundedFutures is pretty much gives you the most freedom. Oh, guys, this trade is not looking good. I was hoping for it to sweep the Asia lows. I don't think it's gonna happen, but on to the next one. And look at that, the gold is just dumping a little bit, so I hope it goes good for Dren, or Dren, sorry, not Dren, Dren. Crypto Panda, good morning. Finally got, oh, nice. Guys, this is confirmed. Crypto Panda got the payout from Fast Track Trading. There you go. There you go. Congratulations, Crypto Panda. That's a good job. That's a good job there. So it has been confirmed that Fast Track Trading pays out traders. Very good. Marcus is going to buy. Looking for the 915 area. Yeah, looks like it. Looks like that's where we're heading. Yeah, this one is going to create on the 5-minute. Yeah, well, maybe an order block. What's the high? 82.50. Oh, not technically a clean order block, but unfortunately it's gonna blow up my position. I might have to consider to close this early, but since it's a small position, I'm just gonna leave it on. My experience, it makes you see it in that area. Yeah, and you know, that's really good if someone has so much experience. I mean, look at this, we have equal highs up there as well at 900, so why not? Unfortunately, this trade is going very bad. I think I'm gonna close it. I should save a few bucks on this and just close it. I don't know. Yeah, oh, you DM me. I saw that you wrote me. Oh, nice. Guys, CryptoPanda sent me the screenshot, confirmed. Fast Track Trading wired him $1,000. So it is confirmed. Very nice job, man. Wow. Well, you know, they should be implementing card payments, you know, bank cards. Anyway, let's see what happens here. Let's see. Oh, Vivian, I forgot. Vivian, did my funded futures at the daily loss limit? Yeah, Vivian, that's a good question. Sorry, I missed your question there. I don't know why. I guess their biggest competitor is TOPSTEP, and not just that. I think they have a risk department and they have the data to see how many traders go over the daily loss limit, or I know there was no daily loss limit, but how many traders use their full daily margin and how many don't. And I guess it's because of the business decision, Vivian. Maybe, you know, they have to make profits as well from the failed accounts, but of course it's just a soft breach. But, you know, that's why it's called starter, I guess. That's something that it's a little bit negative with the new starter, at least for me. But I mean, not for me, because if I go down $1,100 on a day on a evaluation account or a funded account, that's bad. So that's a sign that I should be stopping for a day. So actually, it's not that bad. But I'm a small, you know, I trade very small positions. So who knows, you know, it just proves that if you go with the starter, you definitely should not go for maybe all day with one mini. Of course, it has a scaling plan with one mini. You start out with one mini, or 10 micros. And that is more than enough. I never use more than 1 mini on my funded accounts ever, for example. So the daily loss limit, well, yeah, that's a limitation. Other than that, you know, TOPSTEP has a daily loss, Take Profit Trader has a daily loss, BULENOX Option 2 has a daily loss. MyFundedFutures Expert account doesn't have a daily loss limit. Other than that, only the Option 1 accounts, the BULENOX and Apex, with the intraday trading, doesn't have a daily loss limit. But yeah. I know. Oh, they were testing. Oh, credit card payments today. Nice. Yeah. So I guess with wire transfer, it takes at least 1 or 2 days. We'll get TradeAway and Ninja. That's good. That's good. If they make the credit card transfers available and TradeAway and Ninja Trader, then they should be getting more traction. I think so. I still have to go over the payout policy on their site, because I'm still not very familiar with the payout policy, but I'll check it. Okay, look at gold. Went back to the midnight levels here. NQ still here at midnight. Unfortunately for me, it could be sweeping. This is a bearish order block. It could be sweeping that high, which is only like 5 points away. That's not good. Yeah, it will do that now. But I don't mind. I'm going to leave it as it is. Good morning, Pablo. Everything is well. I hope the same to you too. Everything is well. So far, the funded accounts are slowly, extremely slowly, and I mean extremely slowly, but growing, getting closer to payouts. By the way, yesterday I DCA'd on one of my funded accounts. I told this in the video. I was trying to scalp. I mean, I not DCA'd, but I went full tilt on one of my funded accounts at Apex, and I made a screenshot of the trades. I fat fingered the sell button because I wanted to scalp quickly on the drop, which eventually turned out good. But I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to go in with 2 minis for a quick scalp and close, but instead I pushed the mouse 4 times. 4 times, like actually that's 3. But I went in with 4 minis. I closed it super fast after that when it was dropping, but it's gonna cause me trouble, I think. Hash, hey there, all the way from South Africa. Good to see you here. Oh no, my trade is gonna go bust. So I think I'm gonna need your opinion, your expertise on what you think on that, because I'm gonna show you what I did on my funded account. Where is it? So I was scalping super quick, and I fat fingered the sell button on a drop on NQ, which eventually ended up in profit. I usually, when I scalp, I go with 1, maximum 2 minis, but that's the max. And in this time, I went in with 4. I know. So look at this, guys, and tell me your opinion. This was the screenshot I took on Quant Tower. So I entered one at 20,739.25. Pressed again at 38.5, pressed again at 38, and pressed again at 37.5. So overall, 4 minis. 4 mini. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mini contracts, and I immediately trailed it down, and I closed it with like 2 or 3 points, something like that. So I made profit, but I was in drawdown. And obviously, I think this is not DCAing because Apex says that I can add to my winning trade. So I know this is a winning trade, right? Because my first entry is here, second, third, fourth. So this is a winning trade when I add here and here and here. I think this is valid, right? This is not DCAing. or is it? This is not DCA. I think so. Because, you know, yeah, I short the market. I was shorting the market. So I entered here first. This was the first entry up here. Second entry here. Third entry. Fourth entry. So obviously you see the numbers are getting lower. It should be good. 39.25, 38.5, 38, 37.5. So it should be technically okay. So anyway. Yeah, so, but I never do, I mean, I never go with 4 minis. So yesterday I was on tilt. And I was lucky yesterday. I journaled it down. I was very frustrated because I usually go with, I had a losing trade before this, so it's not on the screenshot, but it was up there somewhere. I had a loss, and when it was started to drop, I quickly boom, went in. So I was on tilt. Anyway. Oh, look at gold. I forgot to say it now. Gold is turning for buy. Oh yeah, it is, but we still have the London Open. So unfortunately, I think my trade suffered enough. It should be taken out soon, but since it's so close, let's just leave it be and look for the next opportunity. If it wants to go higher, then obviously I'll be looking for the next opportunity here. But look at gold. It's not stopping. No stopping at gold. At least not now. ES going sideways. This is bullish for me. ES is still bullish. It's still like, I think, who said it? It's accumulating positions. Just as NQ. Yeah, it was Ron Costa, who said it's accumulating. I agree. Now I think it's really just accumulating positions to pop higher. But just for fun, because it's already almost at my stop loss, I'm gonna wait for it and see if it's gonna take it out before London Open or at the London Open. I even DCA more than one time after they enforced the rules and I got paid. Oh, there you go. That's why I made the screenshot, because technically these numbers are below each other and I was in a short, and And so I only added to my winning trades technically, which is allowed. So I did use a stop loss, by the way. I did use a stop loss, so and the take profit. But oh yeah. Joseph is saying he can scalp on TraderWait's website. Yes, on TraderWait's own platform, it's much more cleaner and smoother. Okay, there is my trade. I don't know why I'm still in this. I should have been taken out by now. Let's see. Let's see. A moment of silence if this trade gets taken out. It should be now. Come on. Let's go. Hey, I'm Vida. Good morning. You're the get. Last time you didn't DCA, believe me, I was the king of DCA. Yeah, that's why I made the screenshot. But this was the only occasion on this funded account that this happened. I got full tilt, so I made a screenshot just to make sure that I know the numbers are lower and lower. So I only added to the winning trades, and I did use a stop loss. So anyway, small profit there overall because I closed it with like 2 points or something, but you know. Yeah, thank you. I wasn't really sure, and I'm not even sure why this trade is still on, but it's still on. It's still on. Greg, hey. New to channel? Good to see you, Greg. Hey everybody, huge applause for Greg, who's new to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Can you outline your strategy? Yeah, it's very simple. I'm basically using the ICT 2022 entry model. That's the core that I use. Of course, I added a few perks and features on my own. But for example, on this trade, I'm going to break it to you and to anyone. So if you go on YouTube and search for ICT 2022 model, you're going to have like thousands of videos, literally thousands of videos, which could be better explaining than I am. But there was a liquidity sweep. For example, I mean, I'm looking for a liquidity sweep, which happened like multiple highs here. Some wicks has been swept. So this was a liquidity sweep. After that, I need a structure shift, and the structure shift happened here. Bearish market structure shift right there. I needed a fair value gap, which obviously happened here. Fair value gap there, and I needed a good target, or at least 1 to 2 risk to reward. In this case, relative equal lows, and which is Asia low actually, sell side liquidity. That is what I was targeting with this trade. By some miracle, I'm still in this one, and this is where I entered somewhere around here. Why is it showing like this? And by some miracle, I'm still in the trade, and there you go. This is the trade. That's why I took it. It's dangerous because it was around the VWAP, but I don't really care too much about the VWAP. I know many of you guys trade the VWAP. I don't. I just have it there for you guys. But this is the trade on my quant hour charts. So the risk to reward, I'm always aiming for at least 1.5 or greater. If I can, I go with 2R. And look at this. Stop loss for now was missed with only one single tick, I think. One tick, but you know, we'll see. I was lucky for now. But yeah. Anna, hey there. Good morning, Anna. Is there a minimum days to trade my... no minimum days, visible ID. No minimum days. Crypto, hey, Apex got rid of the Discord. Temporarily, that's what they say, because I did see that there was so many toxic people on the Discord. Understandably, some people got frustrated about payout denials and stuff and such. But hey, guys, let me just say this. I know some would say I'm just shilling them. I'm building my funded accounts with them too, but we have people every single week getting paid out by Apex, like OG people here on Discord as well and everywhere. And yes, they deny a few payouts, but they pay out. So I have no issue with Apex as long as they keep getting paying people. I mean, don't DCA and gamble. But yeah, the thing with Discord, too many toxic people were there and they just decided to temporarily shut it off, and that's it. London about to open. Yeah, it's actually open. Yeah, I missed it. Sorry, guys. You're welcome. Do you follow the time restrictions? Yes. I go with the kill zones. New York kill zone, London kill zone. So, you know, the price is timed or the time is priced. Usually, it's always a good thing when you look for the most volatile windows to trade. The problem was the people, but also the mods too. That's true. I saw some screenshots from moderators who were not really nice to, let's just say that, and I'm expressing myself in the most calm, diplomatic way, but they were not too friendly with some people. And I guess it turned into a little bit of a fiasco in the Discord chat. So yeah, but they said they're going to refurbish everything, and hopefully soon we will have a chat actively on Discord again. It wasn't your day, Derpidity. What happened? I need some levels to down 500 was down 8. Oh, dude, don't worry. I mean, we all have those. It wasn't really about payouts. It was people mad about Rhythmic. Yeah, that's true. So mad about Rhythmic. Some people were mad about the new rules, but Rhythmic connection issues. So it was frustrating for everyone, I think. So Apex definitely took a hit, client-wise and money-wise, with all those issues. But they are one of the oldest and biggest ones as well. Trust me, guys, I don't think people want to see Apex go down. Yes, everybody is like, yeah, they're gonna go down or whatever. Listen, if Apex goes down, that's gonna be bad for everyone in a way. The ripple effect is gonna go through every prop firm, guys. The ripple effect is going to affect all the other prop firms. You know, the prop firm industry is already fighting to gain some trust after what happened in the Forex space. And if Apex goes down, that is going to have a negative ripple effect on the whole industry. So I think it will open up the new Gen 2 prop firms. Maybe. I'm, sometimes, the change is always painful, but hopefully good. I don't know. But, hopefully the negativity will clear out from the prop space, not just from futures, but from Forex too, because right now the Forex prop firms are really suffering. So we had MyForex funds last year, and all the other ones, the Dungeons and Dragons prop firm, Skilled Funded Trader, and the others, I don't even know their names. So that really killed the market. That wasn't really good. And now if the same negativity is going to the problem is social media can bring down a prop firm. That's what I think. Social media can bring down a prop firm. Now regulations can come in. That's true. I'm a little bit afraid that if regulators come into the prop firm space, then it's going to be much more harder. Guys, I think people are going to want the current rules back. Like, there's going to be more rules, more restrictions, less leverage, whatever, you know. It's going to be, I think if regulators come into the prop space, it's going to be harder, more rules, you know. It's always like that. So anyway, I not really want to go down that road because, I mean, this is just my opinion, and I'm not an expert. This is just my personal opinion. But if regulation, I welcome regulators. They're good. I have no problem with regulations. Actually, that's going to raise more trust. But many people will think that, oh, I want to go to a prop firm with no rules. Trust me, if regulators come in, there's going to be rules all over the place, all over. It's going to be full of rules everywhere. Small little details, every single prop firm. Yeah, Apex wiped it out. What will you do when you are not one of the ones who get in a... where you are one of the ones who get denied even though others got paid out? Well, it depends. If I get denied because of DCAing, I was being told that I can still continue to trade. So I'm definitely going to continue to trade with Apex for the next payout. So far, this is why I made a screenshot. I had one occasion where I thought that I'm DCAing, but I was always careful. So I'm going to give more shot to the thing, but if I'm going to get denied like multiple times, then I'm just going to look for some other opportunities, and that's it. I have no reason to believe that that's going to happen. Good morning, Tommy. True Forex funds also. Yeah, True Forex funds, yeah. I saw a video about the owners of True Forex funds with 2 Lamborghinis here in the... I have the video on my phone. I have it on my phone. The owners of True Forex funds with the license plate Forex, they were driving their Lamborghinis. So say what you want. The owners of True Forex funds driving around with Lamborghinis. Just saying. Get out of break even. I don't know, Kyle. So far, let's see. I'm looking for this still to play out. The thing is, I was reading about this in trading books. Once I put the trade on, I just keep. I'm not messing around with the trade anymore. That's what I should do. Of course, I always mess around with my trades, but once you put on a trade, and Mark Douglas says this too, once you put on the trade, you should just be cold as ice and just move on. And if you lose the trade, you lose the trade. If you win the trade, move on. It's part of your edge. So far, I'm just going to wait for this trade to show what it does. If it takes me out, I made my piece. It should have taken me out up there anyway. So... and I don't know. I'm going to leave it for now. And I'm going to quickly check on gold. By the way, on gold, there is a market structure shift. Interesting. Interesting. Maybe I'll take a long on gold. I don't know. Maybe I'll take a long on gold. Not sure. What would be the level? 85.4. What? I just don't know why it's not doing it. Why can't I put a trade on gold? I have to disconnect and connect again. I wanted to go long on gold anyway. I came from Forex CFD world. You're right on point. Oh. Yeah, thank you. Matthew, I was $200 away from passing an Apex evaluation. Because of all the King's Apex refusing payments, I didn't trust them to pay me out eventually, so I canceled. You canceled it? Oh. Which time of once with the you pass, do you still pay? No, you don't. If you pass the account, that's all. No more payments for MyFundedFutures. If you pay the account, you're done. And no activation fee, nothing. Now we have a better trade, London highs. Yeah. Asia lows. I'm still with the idea of short. I just can't see. Yeah. It's definitely a little bit crazy right now here. Yeah, I'd like to see this go higher. I entered to a long position on gold. Based on that it was super bullish since yesterday, but 89.8. Yeah. Oh no, my gold trade is gonna go down again. I hate this. Double the risk, you know, that's what it means. Double risk. Always double risk. Double risk if you trade more than one market. Don't forget that. And now it seems like it just wants to go lower. I thought that this is going to be a healthy pullback. We had the market structure shift here. On this wick. Bullish market structure shift. We had a fair value gap here. Draw on liquidity, I thought it's gonna be way higher because on the higher time frame, I was attached to the higher time frame too much. Maybe I shouldn't have, but that's what I thought. And now this is my trade. It doesn't look good. Doesn't really look good. I can sold at 86.6. I don't know. Somebody want to go lower. Yeah. Hopefully he gets squeezed. Yeah. Anyway. But by some miracle, this trade is still on. I don't know how. But this trade is still on. Missed the stop loss with one tick. So this is the time, if it goes to profit, this is the time when you could get lucky while trading. But anyway, So there's the edge, the human factor, mental aspect, psychology, everything, and we have lady luck right here. For now, we have lady luck. But my gold trade is not lucky. that's 100%. My gold trade is looking very bad. Good morning, Naomi. Hey. How is everybody doing? By the way, it's awesome to see you guys every week. I'm so glad. So you know the drill. Just push the like button and subscribe. That's free. Helps out the stream and the channel. Thank you for all the support. Also, my code is working with Apex again. Yeah. So I will continue to shield them. The sale is still going on with the big account. So $40 for a big account, $85 for lifetime activation fee until I think the middle of next month. Do you ever trade Nikkei? No. I heard that it moves quite fast, but I don't really trade it. First, I was reading that do you trade naked? So, but to answer that question too, there was an opportunity. I mean, when I was trading naked, but not on the stream. So I took a shower and I ran to the screen and I saw something, and I just had to sit down naked to the chair and enter the trade. So it actually happened. So that's a secret. Don't tell anyone. All right. That actually happened. So true story, actually. So naked trading is familiar to me. I know how it goes. Me too. Did you win the naked trade? I did. We want to see Tom naked. I know. I thought that's going to be the thing next. So that's on my OnlyFans channel. I can't do that here, but you know, OnlyFans. Yeah. You know, naked charts, trading naked. That's something we can do. OnlyFans trader. I think that would work out, right? Naked charts, naked trading. That's what we do. By the way, don't forget, Take Profit Trader doesn't have an activation fee. So just saying. Fastest payout in the industry. Fastest ever payouts. Bum, bum, ba, bum. Bum, bum, bum. All right. You're with me on the short? Nice. All right, let's go. Unfortunately, my gold is going to go to the dumpster, but maybe this one will turn out good. Gold trade is almost out. I might have to start trading gold. Last year, I'm telling you guys, I'm going to go over the journal together with you. Majority of my losses, of course, that was on the Forex prop firms, came from gold. So I'm not good with gold. That's why I wanted to conquer gold once more, but she doesn't like me. She doesn't like me, and I don't know what to do with gold anymore. I mean, of course I know I'm not giving up on gold, but she just doesn't like me, and it feels bad. Like my target? All right, well, let's see how it goes. Yeah, this is the trade, still on. I want to see it go down there. Gold below my 3 accounts. There you go. Mamba Fox, yeah. You know, if it is okay to buy Apex account with the friend's credit card, it's not okay, unfortunately. Apex also sent an email last year that they were very specific about that. So obviously they're not checking it every single transaction, but when you apply for a payout, they go through everything. So that's when they scan your evaluation account, your payment, everything is cleared out, okay? And if they see that the payment doesn't come from your end, they have the right to not just deny the payout, but to close the account. Not the whole account, but that particular trading account. They have the right to close it down because it's against the whatever kind of CFTC, SEC, or anti-money laundering, whatever, I don't know, something rule. But they were very specific. Not now, I think it was last year, December or maybe January, I don't know. Maybe January. So if you have a joint account, yeah, if you have a joint account with someone, then maybe it's a possibility to appeal that you send in your bank statement that you have a joint account, and that's where you paid from. So I think that can still work out if you have a joint account with someone, but that is something that they're very picky. At least there was a specific email about that. So make sure to use your own credit card, or or at least on the same name that's on the account. CSL2 in gold. Oh, okay. My husband and I, cards get confused all the time, and I had to show ID that it was oh, I see that. You got annoyed by Apex. Yeah, if you show some proof that maybe you have a joint account, or you have a card that, for I don't know how that works with the bank, if there's credit cards for more than one person on the same, the card goes for 2 person, I don't know how that goes, but if you have a proof, that it could be all right, but it's annoying. There's a cool new performance chart calendar. It tells you everything in real time. Nice. Seen in TOMSABO, loser, winners, hold times, everything. Oh, that's awesome. This happened after requested payout. Yeah, so that's when they check it. So when you pay for the account, that nobody checks. So just make sure that the registration at Apex is under the same name that's written on the credit card or debit card. Even if not, then if you have a joint account with the card holder, then you should prepare a statement from the bank or a proof that it's a joint account and you have the right to use the card or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, so block my accounts. Oh, there you go. So after repealing, yeah, so it could be frustrating. I know it could be. I don't know how, but gold is around break even, not exactly at break even, but somehow it got back up there. I have no idea how, but it's up. Actually, I can show you. Excuse me. This is the gold trade. that I'm in. But I don't have high hopes for this one. That's the gold trade. This is the so everything is around break even. It's gonna be interesting. At least one of these should lose. Anyway. Ba, 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 ba. So just saying again, if anyone would like to go with BULENOX, there is no more number in the code, just simply TOMSABO. That's it. That's what I use. Oh no, I'm in drawdown again on this trade. Yeah, look at that. I got saved by Lady Luck up there. I got a chance to get out. And I'm still in this. Yeah, I'm in a long position here. Almost got taken out. Let's see what happens. I'm bullish on gold overall because of what happened yesterday. So I checked the 1 hour chart. I see some more movement to the upside. Hopefully it will continue. We still have some space to expand higher. Went through the order block, swept some levels here, down there, and now I think it just wants to push it. At least that's what I'm hoping. We'll see. That was the higher time frame analysis that I went with. So I just saw my entry model here. Market structure shift, fair value gap, liquidity sweep. So I thought, okay, why not? You know, let's go. My bias is bullish on this one right now. I'm not saying for the whole day, but currently I'm still bullish with gold, and that's why I took that. But I might be offside, so just saying. You again, John D. What's happening? John D. Good to see you. Igen, Laca, igen, abszolút. Igen, az működik. Pontosan. Én is úgy csináltam. Mármint én nem kaptam még, de affiliate kifizetést úgy csináltam. Gold will fly, hopefully. But I know Laca, tudok mást is, aki így csinálta. És magyar, és úgy kapta meg. Sorry, Hungarian fellow is asking here. Lady Luck sucks. Other Apex. What's the cheapest trade await account? I think $30-something at Apex. I mean, sorry, other than Apex, the cheapest. Not sure. $76 with MyFundedFutures, but it includes the activation fee. So no activation fee. And it's for $76 at MyFundedFutures if you use the discount. So, good morning. Good morning, Greg. Now Apex is all about $40, yeah. On the big accounts. On the big accounts, yes, on the big accounts. The cheapest is MyFundedFutures, yeah. You're welcome, you're welcome. 31 for static. Oh, there you go. And by the way, John D, my code is working. Well, you can use anyone's code, but my code is working again. They were very fast yesterday, so I guess finally. I know. Smash my code, come on. You know, if you use my code, it's a little bit of a guarantee. I'm not guaranteeing, but it brings you luck. So my code is going to bring you luck to pass the account, obviously. So I know others say that too for their codes, but Trust me, guys. It has that small TOMSABO guarantee implemented in the code. So if you use my code for any of these accounts, you should be passing these evals a little bit easier, you know. I talked about this with the architect in the matrix, and all he said is that they can do something, you know. Obviously, not everything is going to get suspicious, but if you use my code, you're going to do better on your evaluation accounts. All right. Thank you. 6E is not moving at all. Can you do some sorcery? I can call the market makers. There you go. We have proof. Kenny, thank you. Kenny used the code and passed. So I'm telling you guys, it's working. They told me, the guy. Neo was the first one there, actually, but after Neo left the room, I went there. I told the guy, listen, I don't care about all this matrix bullshit. Sorry. I need a good code that works for everyone. And he told me, all right, you know. But it can be too obvious. I said, all right, sure. But, you know. All right, what's happening? Gold is up, but I'm going to lose the... I might going to lose the NQ short. Yeah, seems like it. You know, Neo choose the red pill. I choose the blue because I like this. I like stakes. I like good cars. I like the weather. I don't want to live in a world where I always eat like that crappy soup and it's dark all the time. We don't have all the good stuff. So I'm gonna choose the blue pill and stay in the matrix. I like it here. So that's why I know it works. Look away for 3 seconds. Yeah. And then you I see. Yeah. It gets crazy. Look at gold. Oh yeah, it is a little bit crazy right now. Crazy right now. Crazy right now. It's playing a mind game. Started using TOPSTEP and I'm liking it. Good. TOPSTEP is a good one. It's an OG prop firm. So of course they also do a business, but you know, they're doing good. I always get bottom ticked on my limits TP with minis, but in micros I get filled. Something is fishy. It's because it's a matrix. It's the matrix. It's a video game, guys. Don't forget it. We are in a video game, and the mods are playing with your entries. You know. Oh no! Now Lady Luck is not gonna save me. I'm sure about that. I'm not gonna get saved by Lady Luck this time. Anyway, I don't mind. I'm gonna get taken out here. It's pretty obvious. If it goes higher, I might gonna have to search for maybe some other targets. There was a shift on the... No, it's not a shift on the 5 minute. Yeah, it's not a shift. But still, it's gonna sweep my stop up there. It's very close. So after this, I'm gonna left only with gold. But if it goes higher, maybe it's gonna do well. We have the 900 level up there. Above these equal highs. Could go up there again and sweep that level. Retest the 900. Why not? Can easily do that. Triple top on GC on the 5-minute. What? Triple top? Where? I don't see triple top. I mean, maybe this. Well, yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Keep fingers crossed. Hold your butt cheeks, you know, squeeze them together. Hold for dear life. Can't speak. I'm just, you know, I'm trying to make you guys dizzy by clicking all around between the two charts. You busy now? Dizzy? Busy? And I have to drink one more coffee because I'm still sleeping. That's the thing when you get some, oh, look at gold. It's still happening. Obviously, this London session is a little bit interesting. I was really hoping that this is going to be a nice A+ trade. Triple test into resistance level. Is that just liquidity or entry of some sort? I don't know. Depends on what is your entry model, but it's a good question. It's a good question. All right. I mean, this is typical summer, right? This is summer trades. Trading in the summer. Again, I don't know how I'm still in this, but I'm still in it. Very close to get taken out now. 88.50. It's like right here. 4 points, 4.5. It seems like the market makers, they are the cause of all this. They seeing my stop, you know. The market makers want to take me out. That's the problem with streaming, because if you stream your trades, the market makers usually go for your stops. Obviously. Oh, look at that. Now it's going down. Unfortunately, gold is shaking me out again. Yeah. Look at that. It's getting closer to VWAP again. I think it's gonna shake me out by touching the VWAP. And that's no good. I just don't know. Look at the 15 minutes. Ugh. 5 minutes. I don't like it anymore. I don't like it anymore. Why is this happening? It seems like I was offside. Well, 2 a.m. open here. There was a shift from up there to the lows. But anyway, what can I do? That is what it is. Because of my sarcasm. Yeah. That's true. That's true. That's true, John. Well, anyway, both of my trades are in a healthy drawdown. But it's fine. It's fine. I'm risking less than $100 per trade, about $80 or something per trade. So that's about 170 with commissions overall. If I get stopped down both trades, look at this gold. Dirty gold. Got to go. Oh, hope to see you again, Sam, as soon as possible, of course. Have a good one. Have a good one. Mary, good morning. Good morning. How you doing, Mary? I hope you have a good day or had a good session or some good profits. Obviously, I'm in drawdown again because it's London. It's just not going as it should. Just got in. You're risking 100 to 100 to make how much? I'm risking about, I have 2 trades on, so I'm risking about $70-80 per trade. I have 1 trade on NQ micro and 1 on micro gold, but unfortunately I think I'm gonna get taken out on both of these. What can I say? So I'm risking about 170-ish with commissions, hopefully for double profits, but gold is gonna take me out right now. Let me show you the chart. There you go. This is my gold trade with micros. I'm gonna get stopped here, unfortunately. I thought that is gonna continue the bullish move. It will eventually, I think, but first it might going to sweep the lows, and my Nasdaq trade is, well, look at that. I was saved once from getting stopped out, and now it's just not good. Just not good. No profits. Took 1 trade Monday. You know, that's you know, 1 trade, and you That's fine. No, it's fine, Marius. It's part of the game. That's how we do it. It's part of the game. Let me open the window a little bit. Some fresh air. There. Now it's better. Letting in some fresh air. I don't know what's happening here. My trades are getting a little bit better. It's definitely playing with the nerves here. This is the NQ and this is the gold trade. I don't trust gold still. I think it's weak. I don't like it. So I still don't like it. Let's go gold. It did triple bottom. Well, almost, technically, yeah. Lower, higher low, higher low, higher low. We need now a higher high. Let's go. But I feel like it's gonna break out from this channel to the downside. Boom. Touch the weave up and then maybe go up. But if not, there are some good targets on the downside too. But look at the 15 minutes. We're pretty much in a consolidation on gold again. Tom, I will invest in you. You in? Of course you can invest in me. Anytime. Anytime. I'm in. But don't copy trade me. This is just for entertainment purposes. I'm an idiot. I'm just trying to reach those payouts. So do your own analysis, do your own research, learn from my mistakes, and that's why we're doing it. We're learning from each other. He's just a fun trading buddy. There you go. There you go. I'm just a fun trading buddy. I'm here. Exactly. Exactly. And actually that's sad too. because I was looking to be a profitable trader and I'm just the guy who is a funny trading buddy, but that's all. Oh my god. I want to be successful in trading. How about that? All my dreams are collapsing now. We will keep learning, yeah. Oh well. I think NQ is gonna give up on me. NQ heard this and decided, alright, let's just leave Tom in the dirt and move on. Oh well, oh well. Yeah, NQ is gonna take me out. I mean, obviously don't tell me that these are optimal trading conditions. Until this point, it seems like we could have finally a nice London trade until this point. And after that, look at all this. It all got very frustrating. Also on gold. So it seemed like until the London Open we have a chance for this session to have some, well, yeah, here not. But we're learning together, Tom. Yeah, we do. We do. We do. Guys, I'm just trying to be funny to cover my pain. On the inside, I'm crying. This means London and New York will be, yeah, should be. After this, if it stays like this until New York, if London stays like this, New York should have some better moves or more predictable moves. Hopefully. There he is. So I'm like the Joker from Joaquin Phoenix, or Phoenix, how do they pronounce it? So I'm like crying, hey, but you know, when I shut down the stream, I just walk slowly on the street, you know, with my head down. I sit on the couch, looking at the wall, and that's my life. And I come back to the stream, I smile, hey everyone, everything is fine. And then when I shut down the OBS, I just sit back to the couch and just look sad, and I'm crying. That's my life as a trader. Yeah. Sometimes I travel with the bus. I keep laughing at nothing. It's sad. No, it's not that bad actually. All right. What is happening here? Sorry, excuse me. Still don't know what to make of this price action yet, but okay, it's official. I can say it now because it's official. Nasdaq turned off, unplugged. That's it, guys. That's it. No more moves. What can we do with this? Nasdaq took a nap. It's official now. Nasdaq has officially turned into a nap. So, all right. Yeah, I think I should switch to Nikkei. We have CPI, exactly, Jho, exactly. I think we should prepare for CPI. We should be seeing some more predictable movements. Obviously, it's gonna be way better. I don't even know why I was so aggressive right now in this London session. Well, I only have these 2 trades, but I don't know. NQ is sending a message with barcoding, yeah. Mr. Debelka, I like the name. That definitely. Look at this barcoding chart. It's clearly a message. Yeah, sure. Crypto Panda, I just read your message on Discord. I understand, and you know, I will think about it. I don't have an answer yet for you, but I'm gonna answer to you on Discord. but I have to think about it. Okay, all I can, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but I will answer to you on that one. Definitely, definitely. Yeah, I will answer to you. I'm not sure about that, but it's very, what you wrote there is very generous. We will talk about it on Discord. All right. Let's see. All the secrecy, guys, that's happening on the stream. All the secrecy. I think we want to push up through midnight here. Yeah, most likely. My trade is almost gone. Now this time I'm not gonna get saved. Actually, 1 point away from getting stopped out. I'm gonna leave it there, but yeah, we'll see you in New York, J-Ho. Have a good night. Lady Good Luck will come again. Maybe. I don't think she will. Where is the trade? Here. Almost out. It's fine. It's completely fine. I got saved once. What can I ask for more? I cannot ask for more luck to be saved. It's pretty obvious that we're gonna go through those highs. Gold is still there. Interesting. Yeah, everything is barcoding, guys. Obviously, the biggest hit this week is CPI news today. So yes, it's contradicting because yeah, Mary. So the thing is that most likely one of those are gonna get blown either way, because I know how they are correlated and such, but you know, oops, my microphone is keeps falling apart. All right, hopefully it will hold. So anyway, push the like button and subscribe, guys. Help me out. It's free to do. Push the stream. Let's reach that 3K subscribers. Hopefully in a few weeks we can get there. That would be awesome. Or maybe during the summer. Do you see the 15-minute order block? I think it will hit today. Yeah, let's check on the 15-minute order block. $15-minute chart. Let's see, 15-minute order block. This one got mitigated. Where is it? This one? At 791. There is an order block on the 15-minute that is still valid. Dollars high, NQ short. So that's around 792-ish. I don't see other. Well, there is one more here. Yeah, it's not that. It's not it. So it's not perfect. I don't see other order block that could be still valid here. Only down there. Only this one on the 15-minute. Is this the one? I'm not sure. Also, that's an hourly order block as well, right? Yeah, it is. It's also a 1 hour order block, which is starting at 763. It could go there today. Why not? If it starts to dump, can absolutely. So yeah. Yeah. I don't know how I'm still in this trade. Obviously, I'm lucky. For now. Which reminds me, the movie The Dark Knight Rises with Bane. We had Tom Hardy playing Bane and Christian Bale with Batman, you know. And I think Tom Hardy did such a good voice acting with Bane. I love his voice. Of course, that was dubbed after they recorded the movie, but still, it was awesome. It was a great voice. And when they went into the building on Wall Street or something and you know, did the manipulation there, one of his guys told him they cut the fiber, but the mobile is working, and he said, "For now," and that's what it reminded me, "For now," with the deep tone, "For now." So I'm still in this trade for now. I have no idea how am I survived gold still. No idea. I think, by the way, I mean, best Batman movie is the Christian Bale trilogy. Of course, my all-time hero is gonna be Batman '89 with Michael Keaton, but I think Christian Bale nailed it, and Christopher Nolan with everything. The new DC Batman with Ben Affleck is it's just a little bit it's not the one. Lady Luck saved you for now. For now. But it's not over until it's over. Right? That's what they say. Come on. Luck be a lady tonight. Luck be my lady tonight. Frank Sinatra, you know. Luck be my lady tonight. Luck be a lady tonight. Luck if you're ever been a lady to begin with. Luck be a lady tonight. The gods of trading are watching. Oh yeah, it's a golden day. Oh yeah, well, I don't know what the hell is going on anymore. Oh yeah, Frank Sinatra is, I think he's the kind of singer. Now let's separate the personality and the background and the singing talent. But as a singer, I think there is maybe one guy in every 100 years like Frank Sinatra. So yeah. I was thinking to trade the Dow, but I haven't really did. ICE setup. Hey Dominic. Oh, look at that. Now luck is not going to save me tonight. Luck is going to destroy me right now. Lady Luck is saying, hey Tom, you know, you're a nice guy, but you know, I gave you the chance. You know, like the okay. Like that old joke when the guy goes up to heaven and you know, God asks him why, and he asks God, why am I here? And you know, there was the flood comes in, and there was a small boat to save the guy, and hey man, come, we're gonna save you. And no, God is gonna save me, and there is another boat and whatever, you know the joke. And God was saying, I sent you like 3 rescues. What are you talking about? And so luck saved me here. I can't ask her to save me once more. I think this is it for my NQ trade. But so Lady Luck is saying, you're nice and everything, but you had your chance. Now we're just gonna continue throughout the day, and this is it. Gold is still looking good. Almost out. By the way, guys, I have an appointment at 11. Oh, sorry, for me it's 11. For you guys, it's gonna be 5. So at 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I have an appointment. So I can't really stay too long, and it's in another city, so I have to drive there. That being said, I might have to soon close the stream. Gold is looking good for now. I think the NQ trade is gonna go to the stop loss. I feel like it just wants to wick once more to the upside, so never mind. Gold is still bullish. I hope it stays like that. Gold is being jackass. Yeah, I don't know what to make of gold anymore. I mean, it's just, I don't know. Anyway, and I don't even know what to do with NQ on these levels. I really thought that it's gonna just go down and sweep the lows. Look at, until this point, I mean, look at this. It was looking so juicy. Like, it went down, boom, entered here, boom, started to go low again, beautiful. Next trade also, next candle also good. So I don't know, it was looking good, and now here we are. Don't tell me this wasn't looking good. This was looking excellent until 2:10 a.m. It was looking excellent, beautiful. But anyway, I was offside. Luck be a lady tonight. Luck, if you ever been a lady to begin with. Luck, be a lady tonight. All right. Look at gold. Maybe I'm gonna get lucky on gold. Not on Nasdaq. I will come back for New York session. Yeah, Sadar, I think this is it for this session. It's pretty much dead. Maybe gold will bring my loss back. Actually, because it's a 1 to 2 risk to reward. If I win gold and if I lose this, I'm still gonna be up 1R for the day. So I'm still gonna make profit if I win the gold trade and I lose this, which is good. That's why risk reward is important. Anyway, I think this is it for me, guys. I'll let it play out by itself, and thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like this stream, subscribe to the channel, like it, and hit the like button, like it. And if you would like to support, please use my codes and links. I really appreciate it. Helps me being here every single week and day, full time, hoping to get those payouts. But without your help, guys, I couldn't be here. So thank you again for all the support. See you guys in New York session. Cheers, everybody. Take care. Have a success. Yeah, thank you, Dominic. And have a successful day, everybody. And, you know, it's a wonderful day. Enjoy. All right. See you guys later in New York.